We are on part 7 of the container series. I'm gonna keep recording. In the background, I want to show you where we're at. Uber X is slowly moving. Uber Comfort I got put at the end, and Uber XL it hasn't done anything for an hour and a half, right? That doesn't make any sense. But I guess less people order Uber XL at Burbank, Hollywood Burbank Airport, and that's the lesson here. Now, this video is probably going to finish by the time I pick up a passenger. And because this is going to be part 7, part 6 I'm going to upload in the background. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, it is 1 o'clock and this stuff started moving. The Comfort moved and Uber X moved. That means another wave of flights just came in. And I'll tell you one thing I learned in this, because now by the time I get a ride, maybe I've been here 2 hours, and the lot is full. I think when I got the first ride today for 20 bucks, I should have taken it. But I didn't want to take it because I was making my YouTube videos and I was fixing my thumbnails and descriptions, and I wanted to let you guys know what it's like to be in a container. I think once you say no to 3 or 5 opportunities that it gives you, then you get on Uber's poop list, which I basically call Uber prison. Then it basically just keeps giving you bad and bad and bad rides, especially when the lot is full. When the lot is full and there's a lot of people here, it has no reason to give you a nice ride. So in this situation now, I'm looking at like even 12 bucks, 15 bucks to get out of here. It looks like my turn's coming up in Comfort, because when there's people parking in front of you, and the whole lot is filling up, you can't cherry pick. So I think that's the lesson here. This is the 7th video in the container, so I'm gonna pass on this because $8 is not worth it, right? But I'll tell you why. Because I still have 2 more chances to say no to Comfort, right? It'll lowball me, maybe it'll give me 12 bucks, maybe it'll give me 15. If the next one pops up that's a little bit more, I'll take it. But that's basically what my point is right now. Like, I mean, I'm still making a video, right? So I can say no to that $8. But let's say I stop making my videos and I'm not on the 7th part in the container series, then most likely I'll take anything, like even 10 bucks, even $8 to just get the hell out of here. Because when it fills up, you can't cherry pick. My whole goal in this series was to get to the airport at 11 o'clock or 11:15 and be in position to cherry pick. But I couldn't cherry pick because there was too many people here when I got here. When I had the opportunity to cherry pick, I was working on my YouTube video, and I'm like thinking, now I'm thinking in hindsight, I should have probably taken that $20 ride. But who knows, maybe I might land something in the next 15 minutes and it'll be worth it. But if not, at this point, I'm probably gonna just take 10-15 bucks and get the hell out of here. And wherever it takes me, it doesn't matter. I'll figure out, based on where I'm at, I'll figure out what to do. Because right now it's all about getting out, meaning I've rested. I've worked on my business for 2 hours. Now it's time to go make money. You guys see it's getting lower. So I'm 100% convinced that's exactly what happened. Because it's not going to give me anything good because I've said no too many times. But $5 is definitely not worth it for me. And I think I got 2 more no's. Oh, took me off the list. God damn it. Oh, there you go. It's back. I think I got 2 more no's left on Comfort. But $5 is just ridiculous for waiting 2 hours. Who knows? We might still get lucky. I'm actually trying to work in the background and work on my thumbnail. But I'll pause this for a little bit. Yep, that's all it's giving. And look at that, 4.37. That means it's basically put me in prison, and now it's giving me the really bad rides. Because the supply and demand is too high, right? There's too many drivers here. And that's fine. Let's see where the Comfort is. Probably going to be full. Is Comfort full? This is good. You guys are learning from my mistakes. Oh, 41 out of 45 is still not full. But I don't think there's that many flights coming in. It's 1 o'clock. So now my opportunity is Uber X or Uber XL. And also understand, Uber XL for the last 2 hours hasn't changed. When I got here, it was 16 out of 20, and it's been 6 out of 10 for a while. But it's all good. Now I have to wait maybe when Uber X pops up. But right now it offered me $8, $5, $8, $5. And I said no to all of those, which means most likely anything reasonable that comes in Uber X, I probably have to take. Maybe I get lucky with Uber XL, but now I'm in prison. It's gonna just keep giving me bad stuff. Like the opportunity to get nicer rides is when I first got here, I had $20. When I didn't pass on that and I was working, it is what it is. But check it out, this is what I'm working on. I'm working on my thumbnails in the background. I don't mind. I don't mind at all, because you have to have a plan B. Uber's plan B. Plan A is this, my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm checking, it's 1:15. Flight landed because Uber X and Comfort are going. And just an update, I've been put back of Uber Comfort twice. I've been put back of Uber X once. Uber XL has not even shown up once for my turn, which basically means more people at Burbank order Uber Comfort. They order Uber X less, and Uber XL very little. In the background, my container video series is done. Now I'm working on basically all the different versions, because I've already made 5 parts of this video, so I'm gonna make 6. I'm gonna make 6 of these real quick thumbnails and then upload and change it in YouTube. Okay, my thumbnails are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna go ahead and upload those on my videos, because we don't waste any time. And let's see where we are on the queue. Oh, nice. Every time you go back to Uber, it'll pop and it'll refresh and it'll let you know. Right there, you saw it update twice. If you didn't, go back and watch it again. So, and the time is 1:24 p.m. We've definitely been here a little bit over 2 hours. But guess what? 6 more thumbnails done. I'll upload those and wait for the next wave of flights that are coming in. And you can see the first thumbnail is up. Now I'm working on the second one. You can watch me do one of these. I'm not gonna have you watch me do all of them. And we're gonna put the second one up. Boom, save. And I kind of want to see how they look next to each other, and if I want, I can always change it. There you go, part 1, part 2. And that's it. We're still waiting for Uber in the background. Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it, because we're not gonna sit here and we're not gonna keep complaining. $25 is good enough for me to get out of here. So basically, if I get this, it's a match. Oh, good, Mr. Scott, you were the one we were waiting for. So it basically took me, guys, 2 hours to get this $25 ride, right? But that is okay. I gotta go. I'm gonna stop this video. But before I stop this video, just understand, look, we got all of this done. I think I was on the 3rd one. There you go, part 3 right here. We're gonna save it. Now when I get a chance, I will go ahead and update the other ones. There's 2 more, and then part 6 needs to be updated, and this video is part 7. God bless you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. But basically, you've seen me do what? Last 2 hours work on my YouTube channel and work on these 6 videos. The 7th one is this one right here. But look, 6 videos that are going up teaching you about the container and the mistakes that I made today. But hey, we still got 25 bucks out of it. At the end of the day, I will be at around $200 or maybe $300. We'll see.